Welcome to Slide's video tip of the month. This month's tip involves the physical and mechanical components of an aerosol product. First of all, we've got the empty aerosol can that the chemicals go into. Secondly, we have the aerosol valve. It has a plastic dip tube that runs to the bottom of the aerosol can. I'll talk about that further here in just a second. And thirdly, we have the spray or actuator tip. When these three components are put together properly, they do help to control the dispersion pattern and the flow rate of that aerosol product as it's being released from the can. I'm going to tell you a quick tip that I bet 99% of the people don't know anything about, and if you utilize it, I promise it will help you to maximize productivity while minimizing your costs. Aerosol valves have this small little black marking on there. That black marking aligns with the curvature of the dip tube. When spraying the aerosol can, once you get towards the end of the use of that can and the product's almost gone, if you angle that black dot downward when you're spraying the product, it will help to get that last remnant small amount of the aerosol product out of the can. So use this tip. I hope it'll help you to save some money and get more efficiency and productivity out of that aerosol can. Thanks, everybody.